Hello everyone, welcome to tonight's break of 2012 Topps Chrome Football 1 Hobby Box. We're looking for 24 packs inside with 4 cards per pack and at least one autograph, one Chrome autograph. So let's get going and check it out, see who we get. Good luck to everyone. All these cards will ship. Will either go out tomorrow or because Monday is a holiday, the post office is closed. If I don't get it tomorrow, they'll go out on Tuesday. Empty box. Dan Heron. Got a Brock Osweiler. It's an 84 style. Damokong Suh, excuse me, for the Lions, and a Tom Brady. Billy Wynn, Browns. And we have a Red Zones rookie, Stephen Hill, die cut for the Jets. Red Zone rookies. And it is not numbered. And a Darren Sproles and a Beanie Wells. Marvin Jones, Cordy Glenn, Dwight Bentley, and a Matt Forte. Courtney Upshaw, Nick Perry, Darrelle Revis, and a Ben Roethlisberger. Excuse me. DeVere Posey, Devin Wiley rookie, Vincent Jackson, and a Chris Johnson, Titans. Donta Hightower, Ruben Randall rookie. Oh, here we go, a nice Andrew Luck insert. Oh. And they are not numbered. And a Josh Freeman. Fletcher Cox, Kendall Reyes, and an Andrew Luck rookie. Nice card. And a Ray Lewis. So Colts are doing pretty good so far. Robert Turbin, Jordan White, Steve Smith, and Aaron Hernandez. Oh, here we go. Robert Griffin III, rookie card. Andre Branch. And the Colts again. Andrew Luck. And Blaine Gabbert. Vic Ballard. Ronnie Hillman, rookie, Broncos. John Baldwin. And a Carson Palmer, Raiders. Next week we'll be getting in some 2013 Score Jumbo. A couple boxes of Jumbo, and they should be live next Tuesday. They have a lot of nice stuff in this year's with the Score 1989 design of the of all the rookies and a lot of inserts, and I think the Jumbos have 3 hits in them also, autos and relics. Brandon Thompson, Brian Quick, Torrey Smith, and Matt Ryan. So that's something new in football coming out next week with the new rookies on their drafted teams. So that would be the first for that. Luke Kuechly, Tommy Streeter, rookie, and a Ryan Tannehill, or the Dolphins, and a Robert Mathis. Michael Agnew, Terrence Ganaway, Peyton Manning, and Patrick Willis. Stephen Hill, rookie. Tommy Streeter, black border, parallel, rookie card, or the Ravens. And it's 264 of 299. Nice hit there. Michael Vick, not a hit, but a insert parallel. Drew Brees. Cam Johnson, rookie, 49ers. Michael Brockers, rookie, Rams. Joe Adams, rookie, Panthers. And a Rob Gronkowski. Got a little mark on it there. For the Patriots. Bernard Pierce, rookie. Oh, here we go. Nice hit. Nice auto. A.J. Jenkins. Or the 49ers, rookie card, autographed. On card. Very nice. Not numbered. Von Miller. And a Matt Schaub. Janoris Jenkins, rookie. Isaiah Pede, or Ped, whichever you prefer. For the Rams, 84 design. Mark Sanchez. And a Jeremy Maclin. Jonathan Martin, rookie. Javier Posey, Texans. Daniel Thomas. Dolphins. And Ahmad Bradshaw. Got about 6 packs left. Devon Wilson, rookie. Oh, and we have the Lavonte David rookie card. And that is in the brown printing. Forget the name of it now. But it's all kind of the old school looking printing. Lavonte David. And that is numbered 20 of 99. I'll think of it. Mike Wallace. And Earl Thomas. Antonio Allen, rookie. Mike Adams, rookie. Reggie Wayne. And a Jake Locker. Sepia tone, that's what they call these, sepia, with the brown printing. Sepia tone. I knew I'd remember that. Okay. Nice Russell Wilson there. Seahawks rookie. Isaiah Pede rookie. A Brock Osweiler. Or the Broncos. And we've got an Alex Smith. Chandler Jones rookie card. A lot of rookies in this set. Casey Hayward. That'll be nice down the road when some of these guys pop out of here. Dre Kirkpatrick rookie. Bengals. And a Jordy Nelson. Markley Martin, Titans, rookie. Nick Perry, Green Bay rookie. Dwayne Bowe, and Troy Polamalu. And our last pack. Jarrell Robinson, rookie card for the Broncos. Oh, and here's Michael Vick, 2001 style rookie. It says up top there, I don't know if you can see it. 2001 rookie top style card with the Falcons. And that is not numbered. Nice insert. And last two cards, Calvin Johnson and DeMarcus Ware. Okay, let's do a little recap here. Some of the inserts were the Vic 2001 rookie, Brock Osweiler, the sepia tone Levante David for the Buccaneers of 99, Tommy Streeter, black border parallel rookie, and that was 264 of 299. Got a Ryan Tannehill for the Dolphins, Andrew Luck for the Colts. Got a Robert Griffin rookie, Andrew Luck rookie, and Andrew Luck insert, and a red zone rookies, Stephen Hill for the Jets, die cut. And our autograph for the 49ers, A.J. Jenkins, on-card auto rookie card, not numbered. Nice looking card. Great. Okay, thanks for stopping by. We'll be taking a couple days off. We'll be back Monday night, I believe. We're going to have Panini Elite Football 2012. That's on our eBay site. You can go to livepackbreaks.com, and on the top there's a link to our eBay box breaks, and you can do some bidding on that. That isn't ending tonight. It's going to end on Sunday night, I believe. So you have some time to check that out. Then next week we're going to do the 2013 score. We're going to do a 2011 Panini Gridiron Gear hobby box, and we'll have another box of Panini Prism Football 2012. So you can look for that coming next week. Thanks for stopping by. This will be up on YouTube in about a half hour if you want to check it out again. Have yourself a great holiday weekend, and I'll talk to you all on Monday night. Thanks again. Take care.